hot in here.
Hmm?
Doesn't feel too hot in here.
Oh, so these chickens can go all the way under here. Chickens can go all the way under here if they're out. But I mean, once the ladder comes down and that door shuts, they can walk around here, but they can go all the way underneath there too if it's like raining or something. I mean, where I don't know. I thought it stopped right there. So I said they still have. It seemed awfully confining there. This one only has like.
We don't need that many.
4. I know, that one's got like 8 compartments. It's like huge. Hi.
How you doing?
I'm trying to get him to stand next to the giraffe so I can take a picture. Won't do it.
You don't think you look like a giraffe.